Hey everyone, today I'm excited to show you how to grab a free Grubhub promo code for discounts on your next meal delivery. To start, head over to easecoupon.co/grubhub or scan the QR code on the screen to go directly to the site. Once you're there, enter your email to have the promo code sent directly to your inbox. I'll type mine in here so you can see just how simple this is. Next, select whether you're using an Apple or Android device, then click Continue. The site will quickly generate your Grubhub promo code. For a quick verification step, you'll need to download 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These are popular, safe apps with millions of downloads, completely free. After downloading, open each app and use it for about a minute. Occasionally, an app might ask you to reach level 9 in a game or complete a quick survey. This just verifies you're human and unlocks your promo code. I'll speed through this part with some background music so you can see how it's done without the wait. All done. Now, let's check my inbox. And there's my Grubhub promo code. If this was helpful, hit subscribe for more tips and enjoy your Grubhub savings.